Today we will use Blender and UE to create this anime-style sky. The method is simple. Let's get started. Press the X key in Blender to delete the default object. Use Shift+A to create a new UV sphere. Then right-click and select Shade Smooth. In the Material panel on the right, select the default material. For the base color, choose Image Texture here. Open a sky texture and transition to the Paper Preview mode. Check the Face Orientation Time Mirror Edit mode here and select all faces R straight plus N flip normals. This way, it can be exported as FPX and the export parameters can be left as default. Set up a basic framework in the UA Hub. Click on Import to bring in the FBX file from earlier. You can click on Preview to check if the mesh textures and materials are all present. Click on Import. Drag the mesh into the scene and reset it to its original position at the origin. Save the level. Set scale to 100K. This gives us the initial effect. Remove the default sky dome and volumetric clouds. Now let's adjust the imported material. Double-click to open the material. Only keep the texture color and constant 3 nodes. Right-click to change to parameter. Color, designate the node as hue. Rename constant node to bright. Rename the texture node to texture. Add 2 multiply nodes. Connect it this way. Change the default color to white. Save and close. Right-click on the material to create a new material instance. Double-click to open the material properties in our skybox to adjust the material properties. You can now easily adjust brightness, texture, and tone. You have the freedom to adjust these parameters as you like. That's it, it's done!